Welcome to CC Building by Design LLC. CC Building by Design LLC is a locally owned company that has been providing quality interior design services to Katy, Texas and surrounding areas since 1992. At CC Building by Design LLC, we can assist with all of your building and design needs. From interior design to residential renovations and additions, staging, construction, paving, flooring, painting, or embellishments, our team can do it all. Company President Colette Cobb is a licensed interior designer and state-registered builder, and she is known for working to adhere to each customer's signature style from concept to completion. Call us today to schedule a free design consultation. Let's bring your vision to life.